All right, so this is our 3dsmax interface. We have 4 layouts. We have this, and this. To change the layouts, we come to this right arrow here on the left bottom. So if you press that, you have different options for you to select. To me, I prefer this first one, the single one. So these are grids. These lines, we have grids. To remove the grids, press G. To bring it back, press same G. So me personally, I like removing the grids, so I press G. Then to the right side, you have different corner bar. You have your open material library. You can add camera, you can do interactive rendering, you can open anything corona wise on this bar. So what we're going to do right now is to import our FBX file that we just saved. So come to File, Import, Link FBX. So open our FBX, attach this file to bring out one error about your rendering settings, your Revit settings. So close those. Once you select this camera from Revit, you delete it. Also this, you delete this. Then we only have our model in wireframe. Automatically it comes in wireframe. So to remove that, just come to this wireframe up here, then press default shading. So you bring back your model. So if you hover on this roof, you can see analytical surface roofs. If you come to this wall, default wall, if you come to this, you see copper. About this, you see analytical floor surface. So those are the materials that we apply to it in Revit. Then if you select the columns, so if you select the columns is render material 0, blah blah blah. So different materials for different parts that we are going to be applying colors and materials to here in 3dsmax. So right now we have to do our environment. To do the environment, you press 8 to bring out your environment and effect bar. So here you can see the color, you can see the tint, you can see the environment map. So we are going to be changing this environment map. To do that, press M, which will open your material editor, your 3ds material editor. So this is this list. We want to change this physical sun and sky environment. So you have to import an HDRI map. So I've already opened like a folder for 3 of them, my favorite 3. So we drag that inside this lit material editor. It takes some seconds depending on your what's it called, your laptop. So if you open this right, you can see the map. Here's the map. So we are going to drag this to the physical sun and sky. To ask you if it's instance or copy, automatically it's always in instance, right? So press OK. Then it will change the whole environment to this map. The environment starts right? Let's see that. So as not to bore us, let's close this. So you can see that that's changed from white to green. That's changed from white to green, and the sky has changed. So if you render this, it will give you exactly to give you this. All right, so what we're going to be doing next is we're going to be applying the materials to this building part. So to do that, you press M again. Let me minimize this, zoom out. You press M, then you come here. You can see open material library. If you open material library, it should bring out your Corona material library. Another way to do that is by pressing X. If you press X, it will bring out your search button. So we're going to press Corona material library, then you open it. It will give you the same thing. So yeah, you can see basic SSS, carpet. Oh, we need walls. We need walls because so you drag your desired material from here, the Corona material library, to here, the material editor. So if you drag this, it should give you it should give you an error. So to do that, to rectify that, you come here to your render setup. You see, the renderer is in Art Renderer, so you need to change it to Corona Renderer. Yeah. So if you change the Corona Renderer, you close. You come back to your material library here. So to bring out this, the exact material that you just dragged. Then let's create a few more. Let's create a few more. Alright, so we are done with the let's say we are actually halfway done with the materials selection. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to select everything. We're going to select everything here. Yes, I just select everything. Then we apply a single material to it. To me, I prefer applying my white material. This is a white, so I prefer applying my white materials. So if I already selected the everything right, so here you come here, assign material to selection, and if you press assign material to selection, then everything turns to white. Everything, including the glass, everything. You can see here. So it will be easier for us when we are rendering. We won't be getting any error about more material that is not Corona supported, So after that, we are going to be selecting each part differently and apply the materials to them differently. So I will just do like 1 or 2 for you, then I will have to move the speed up a little. So let me select. Let's see. All right, let me select the glass. So if I zoom here, see glass, then if you select 1, everything that you applied that material to in Revit will be selected. You can see all the louvers are selected, everything, as long as you apply the same material to them, it will be selected automatically. So I have my glass. I have my glass material here. Hold on. Alright, so here is the glass, clear glass. So you select this assign, or you can drag it from here, then here. So what I like to do is do this, just assign, so as to be well sure that you applied the material to the elements, to the parts that you selected. So if you now check, if you put it in solo, if you check it now, you see it's that's already applied to it. So what we're going to do is, just for you to see that it's confirmed, you have to do the interactive rendering. So in the interactive rendering, you can see the materials is there already. The material is there already. Excuse me. So see, everything is there and working perfectly. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing. Basically, we're going to be selecting each part, then we're going to be applying materials to it. All right, so let's quickly do that and skip to the next.